Hello, hi, hola, children, welcome back to our English class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good at home. Don't get bored, but do something constructive at home itself, like painting, drawing, sketching, dancing, singing, and much more. You know your hobbies better. Let's get back to our English class. Today, I am starting with a new chapter, that is lesson number 2.4, Story Time. Unity is Strength. First, I will read the story and I want you to open your textbooks to page number 21 and put your finger where I read. Lesson number 2.4, Story Time. Unity is Strength. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling. Quarreling here means fighting with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would never listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day, he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. "It's so easy," said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand, and in no time the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time the brothers learned a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Now, pay attention, children. I will start with the explanation part. This is a story about an old man and his 4 sons who lived in a village. The man's son used to fight with each other every time. They never discussed or had a same opinion. The old man tried to tell them not to fight, but they never listened to him. They always fought for every little thing. The old man was very sad and wanted a solution for the sons to stop fighting, because as he was growing old, he wanted his sons to take care of his farms and all the business that he did. He thought that if they continue to fight like this, they will lose all the things he has. So one day, he thought of an idea to stop this fight. He called all of his 4 sons to his room and gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2 one by one. The eldest son wanted to try first. He took the bundle and said, "It is so easy." and tried to break it. He tried with all his force but could not succeed in breaking the bundle into two. He gave up. After him, the other three brothers also tried with more and more force, but they too did not succeed. The old man smiled, looking at the sight. He then told his sons to untie or open the bundle of sticks that he gave them. They did as their father said. Now all the sticks were separated. Now instead of a bundle, he gave each of his sons a single stick and asked them to break it. The sons happily took the single sticks in their hand, and in no time the sticks were broken into two. This was part 1. I'll see you again in part 2. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.